Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon Brilliant Diamond on Skyline Emulator, only way. Start by preparing your device and backing up any important data before installing third-party software. Download Skyline and required game files from trusted sources, then place game files in the correct folder. Configure graphics settings and controller mapping for smooth gameplay. Test booting the game and tweak performance options until you reach stable frame rates. Now prepare your device and ensure you have adequate storage and battery life before continuing. Open File Manager to move the game ROM and firmware into the Skyline directory, then confirm file names match expected formats. Install the Skyline APK, grant storage and overlay permissions, and restart the device if needed. Open Skyline, locate the game, and attempt to boot while monitoring for missing file errors or permission prompts. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future content. Quick recommendation: grab a lightweight e-reader to enjoy guides and manuals during downtime. It pairs surprisingly well with mobile gaming breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can find the product I mentioned and related bargains. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When the game boots, fine-tune settings to improve the experience without sacrificing stability. Try different GPU backends and CPU core counts to find the best balance for your device. Enable frame limiters or VSync to prevent audio drift and uneven frame pacing during battles. Customize controller mapping for comfortable inputs and save your configuration as a profile for future sessions. Reboot the emulator after major changes to apply settings cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.